let's break in how NetCrunch licensing works. First of all, NetCrunch licensing depends on the number of nodes that you want to monitor. And a node is a device with an IP address, but it can also be a virtual machine, it can be a URL or a cloud service. And for monitoring the device, we don't limit the number of parameters, logs, traps, services that are running on this node. So you can monitor the full scope of performance of services that are delivered on this node. Additionally, in the specific scenario, when you decide to use NetCrunch to only monitor switches and routers, monitoring just nodes may not give you sufficient data. You may need additional information about traffic, what's connected to each port, how they are built together, because this information is necessary for creating network topology maps in NetCrunch. And these are essential for having a full insight into how it's working together. So in this case, you may need additional interface licenses. And they are not expensive. They are just 10 cents per interface per month. And they give you the full scope about how your network is serving the traffic, how your switches and routers are performing. And additionally, when you think about monitoring complex networks, you always think about fault tolerance and how do I set it up. And unlike other products, we don't burden you with manually setting some complex clusters with multiple servers, with duplicating monitoring traffic. You don't have to do it. NetCrunch is designed to support out of the box the technologies that you probably already have in your network, which is VMware fault tolerance or Microsoft failover clustering. And you can use NetCrunch and enable this technology to get the failover and fault tolerance out of the box without additional steps or manual configurations. So to sum it up, NetCrunch gives you flexible licensing, additional information for comprehensive monitoring of routers and switches, and out-of-the-box fault tolerance using the technologies that you already have in your network.